close of each other. You smell like a rose, lock all doors, unplug all the phones, not that you mind. You have to have much trust in me. You have to have much trust in me.
Hi Tidimalo. Good evening. Are you ready for your question? I am ready.
Okay, what do Botswana diamonds mean to you?
Thank you so much for that beautiful question. To me, Botswana diamond is not just a diamond. It represents three things. It represents our true identity, our pride, and an opportunity. Botswana diamond is our true identity in the sense that it has been able to shape who we are as a nation, to give us direction and to improve our country and our economy. We speak economic diversification. And as our pride, we've been able to say this is what we've been able to accomplish as a country because of our true diamonds. And lastly, an opportunity. I am a true representation of our diamond. I am an opportunity waiting to happen. I am somebody who is waiting to be given an opportunity to lead and, to lead and bring about sustainable developments in our nation. So I believe that as Botswana, with the challenges that we've been able to overcome, it has helped us to grow and be resilient and believe in our capability to lead and know that we can still build a better and a beautiful Botswana as a nation. Thank you.